All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
Decided to go to Kyoto for a few days. Left my friends, they'll meet me tomorrow, no, the day after, over there. Then we're going back home, so I've got enough time to do it in one day, so I came over a couple of days earlier. And it looks very nice, the train journey. Have a look at this. I'm on the Special Express, on it by mistake. I had no ticket, so they charged me an extra $5.20. I was fare dodging for a time until I got caught. It was a mistake. We all make mistakes. Here you go, have a look at the view. Okay, as you can see, it's beautiful, usual for Japan. I'm going to stay in the Love Hotel again because they're the biggest beds, and you get jacuzzis and quite a reasonable price. So I'll see you over there. Right, so found it, that big hotel in the green. It's a resort. Oh, I could do a resort after the bed that I've been sleeping in most of the time. That's good, let's get in here, see what it's like. Okay, I'm in the accommodation myself now, and I'll take you around. I haven't been in anywhere yet. I'll just show you what to do to start with. It's got come in, pen and machine, so you don't even have to see anybody. Let's have a look at my bathroom. Hawaii bubble bath, that's good. Should we have some of that Hawaii bubble bath? And lots of goodies, and I don't think I'll be using them because well, oh, my light's gone off. Oh no, my light's gone off. What's going on here? Let's put my torch on. Why did my light go off? Yeah, let's see if I can go through the other doors. See if my light goes back on again. This looks nice, but I need some light. I don't know if you can see anything. Light's gone off. What the heck is happening in this room? Hang on. Okay, again, and my lights, I managed to put my lights back on again. Well, that doesn't happen when I'm sitting in a jacuzzi. Very nice. Very nice. It's better than the last one I went to up to now. Oh, look at this. Oh, coffee machine. And do me karaoke. Here we are. Looks very nice. Anyway, that's it. I'm going for a bath. Bye bye. I'll show you how I got my breakfast. Didn't even see anybody. I'll show you what happens. I'm going to order my dinner now. I'll show you what we got here. Go. There's a menu, so I'll pick something off that. I'm going to try and order it on the TV. Let's see if I can do it. Right. I don't have much British food, to be honest. Well, it's Italian, isn't it? Nah, I don't want that. I want a pizza. Pizzas look good. Oh god, I don't think they've got any of this stuff anyway. Oh, for goodness sake. Right, well that's how you order food, but you can't flipping order food because there isn't anything. Cheerio from the Love Hotel. And I've only got a couple of days left now in Japan. But don't worry, I'll be coming to Thailand soon. So keep watching. Anyway, I'm going to let you know where I'm going on today. I'm going to go and get some ramen at. Let me just wait to see where it is. 7 best ramen places. I've gone for number 2 because number 1's shot. It's called Ramen Sen no guys. I probably spelled that wrong, pronounced that wrong, but it's second best one in Kyoto apparently. But that's what Google says. Let's see how Google is correct or not. But after that, I'm going to do something special on my last day. I'm going to eat some Kobe beef, some Wagyu beef, sorry. And I've just spoke to Tor and Get Your Guide. Here it is. Don't know if you can see that. GetYourGuide.com. So that's what I've got. I've got an all-inclusive. Let's see if I can click on it for you. See if it comes up. Get Your Guide. That's what I'm doing. So I've upgraded to the Wagyu. I'll get full dinner access, 2 restaurants, 2 drinks, alcohol, non-alcohol. You don't have to tip because it's Japan, which is very, very good. You know what you're paying and that's it. I'll see you all later. In my Uber now, just waiting to go to, just going to this one for ramen. There we go, that's where I'm going. So in the back of a Uber we have TV screens here. Back in Glasgow I had one like this, a pad, and they called it a modification. And they talk a lot of rubbish. Modification. So on the way to Ramen, Kyoto. And just down here, it says just down there. Hope this place is good. Smells good round here anyway. I just hope I can find it. Right, looks like I might have arrived at my location just up here. Oh, this is the one. Found it. Hello. One.
Put your name on the list.
Okay, thank you. Name on the list, right. Just sign. Okay, sorted. There we go, that's what we're gonna get. I'm gonna get some Yamo no miso ramen. Here we go, here's my ramen. Look at this. Ooh, look at that pork. Here's some of this pork crust. How do they make pork so taste so good in this country? Or a bit of soup. What's going on? Oh, glasses are steaming up. Look at this. This comes to about £6. Some soup left. I'm absolutely full. Got a place, only little place. I can't eat another thing. I've got to go on a food and drink tour at 7 o'clock, which is about 4 hours, 3 or 4 hours time. I need to walk it off. Right. So that was amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm gonna go to a food market now. I just have to film it because I can't eat. Oh my goodness. I think we're here. Looks like, look at this. There you go, free Wi-Fi. The shopkeeper doesn't want to be in it. But this is British. What's it called?
British bag. The British bag.
British bag shop.
Yes.
It's a British bag shop. Oh well, yeah, it's bags, yeah. British bag, there's a flag. So the British bag shop in Japan, they do very well in here. Here's some leather jackets. I had one of these when I was 18. Yes. Oh, she's in it. The shopkeeper's in it. Look, she's waving. She said she was shy, now she's in it. Yes, I see. So there we go. There's a Great Britain flag. This is in Kyoto. We go British bag, original select. The owner's from near London. Oh, I'm one of them. Right, so that's it. Are you saying anything? Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Hello.
So that's it. I shall leave for a minute and have a look around this shop. Right, so I'm still here. And I think I found the food market. Look at all this food. I'm not bloody hungry. I need to be hungry in 2 hours. Keep walking around, I might get hungry. The Samurai Museum. I don't know if you're allowed to film in there though. Let's go down this little alley. See what it brings. What's that more ramen? I can't eat a thing. Wish I was hungry. You walk down there like this in Glasgow, you might get flipping attacked or robbed or fall in a pothole. What's this?
Oh, it's to make those.
What's going on here?
Just to make, it looks like it's to make those pancakes, but they like don't have the dough going right now.
That's all getting mixed in there or something.
Comes down
Yeah.
tube, goes into those.
Yeah. Comes out here and gets sold. Oh look, there they are.
There's nothing in the tube right now.
I just have ramen, I'm not even hungry. I wish I was hungry, I can see everything, I just want to eat.
All of them look so good.
I know. Oh. There's Rudolph, he hasn't got a red nose, must be someone else. Ho ho ho. Like this. A bit early in here. Christmassy. Very festive around here. It's only 2nd or 3rd of November. Look at it all. Hello wee doggy. Oh, there's a Matty Poo. Oh, look at that. Oh, he wants to come home with me. Do you want to come home with me? Eh? Oh dear, look at this one. Wow. Hey wee dogs. Let's have a look down. Let's have a look down this wee lane. It's a wee lane, but look at the size of it. It's just not so wee. Over here we've got some funny looking things in the river. No idea. So I'm just going to start my food drink tour, bar tour, whatever you call it. I'm not too sure. I think it's near this statue here. I've got to meet people. Hello.